Hello students, welcome to FMT PYQ series. We have been doing evidence unit and today's question is what is the difference between examination in chief and re-examination? See, examination in chief is the first examination of a witness by the party who calls him to the court. Its aim is to elicit facts favorable to the party. Leading questions are not allowed. Simply, suppose you as a doctor are called by the prosecution. Okay, your aim is to provide favorable statements for the prosecution. So whatever you will say would be said as in while the examination in chief, which is the first witness statement taken. Leading questions are not allowed because you have to give your version of the story. What is re-examination? Re-examination is the examination of the witness by the same party after cross-question. It's done to clarify matters arising out of cross-examination. Leading questions are again generally not permitted. This is slightly confusing. You were called as a witness. Your examination in chief was done by the prosecutor or the party who has called you, your favoring party. Okay, you would give your statement. Then the opposite party, the defense, would come and tear you. They will try to tear your stories, put you in a negative bad light, and try to, you know, catch your words and make you feel that you are doing something wrong. So generally when the cross examination is done, it is very hard, and whenever it is done there are some loopholes left out which creates reasonable doubt in the mind of judge. So what you do, the party who has called you again comes to your defense. Okay, first he came when examination in chief was going on, then the opposite party took re-examination, then again your favoring party comes and examines you, smooths out your story so that if you have said anything by mistake, uh, there should not be any strong indications. Okay, so always remember, examination in chief and re-examination done by the same party. Cross questioning, cross examination is done by the lead other party, and in both examination and chief and re-examination, leading questions are generally not permitted. What this is was an explanation part, but what you have to write in exam is that examination in chief is conducted before cross examination and re-examination is conducted after cross examinations. Both are conducted by the same party who called the witness. Okay, if it is defendant or the plaintiff. Re-examination is restricted to clarification only. You don't have to give complete story again. Only the parts which have been roughened by the cross-examination needs to be smoothed out. Okay, and what is the one line tip? No new facts should be introduced during re-examination. See you in the next topic. Thank you.